He's been called the Captain Fantastic, the GOAT of Indian football, even a one-man army. But we know him as someone who simply shows up day after day, match after match, with boots laced and mind clear. As the captain of the Indian national team, he has led the side to multiple championship victories, helped India climb in world football rankings, and inspired a generation to believe in Indian football. He is the third highest active international goal scorer in the world, right behind Ronaldo and Messi. But today, the boots are off, or rather, he's changed them. He's traded those match-won studs for something with a little more rubber to help him rev and drift. Let's welcome the champion, the legend, Sunil Chhetri.
Come on. Not bad.
I'm not as good a footballer as you, but what a धमाकेदार rather football entry. इसको अंदर रखते हैं. So good to see you, sir. First of all. Amazing to have you with us. Now, you have been to many turfs, but ये कैसा लग रहा है आपको? ये turf.
मस्त लग रहा है यार. पता नहीं क्या पहना दिया इन्होंने. I hope I'm not looking that bad.
Normally you are in the center of a stadium. Today you're in the center of a track.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Are you nervous?
A little. जो run up दिया गया मेरे को that I have to drive a car and that too fast. I don't remember last time मैंने कब तेज गाड़ी चलाई थी. So I'm really excited.
That's good. Nervousness means you are all in. Honestly, I have not seen anyone as calm as you.
I only look calm. अंदर से तो मेरी हालत खराब हो रखी है यार.
So when people talk about you, they talk about discipline. I only want to know what is the mischievous Sunil discipline.
I think now because of the age and because of the responsibilities, I have ridden it quite well.
Okay.
But when I was younger, I was always in the margin. शुक्र है वो टाइम चला गया.
Tell me something. Is there a side to you that fans have not seen?
Oh, there are many, and I hope fans never see that.
So आपका your discipline this world over that you eat one kind of food.
जी,
Day in, day out.
लेकिन the last 10 days was nice. I was in a vacation with the family and I ate everything. जो मेरे मन किया मैंने सब खाया.
All of us have a car moment. Is there a special moment when you got the first car or anything explain like that situation?
पहली गाड़ी, the first car that I bought was long back, man. I think I got a Zen with my own money, and I was so happy. I can feel the happiness and the pride, man. It was amazing.
So, did your first solo drive go as smooth?
No, it wasn't, man. I had a lot of hiccups. बहुत बार बैक करने के चक्कर में पीछे किसी को ठोक दिया. I learned from a lot of friends' cars. So when I finally bought my own car, I was already good at driving. So thankfully,
bang your own car.
खुद ही गाड़ी नहीं ठोकी. हाँ जी.
So, recently I was playing your sport and I dislocated my shoulder. I had a surgery. Welcome to my sport and my team.
यार ये धमकी दे रहे हो या you wish कि मेरा भी कुछ हो जाए? You sure ना?
Car is safe and I'm sure you're a good driver because आपने जो सीखा है बाकी की गाड़ी में सीखा है.
Thank you so much.
Sir, you might feel that's a normal track, but we like to do things little filming.
जी.
तो ये है Wheel of Fortune. आपको इसको घुमाना है.
जी.
And that will decide whether it's the wind chimers, whether it's the blindfold autocross, reverse autocross. Everything is right here. Let's spin this Wheel of Fortune.
जी.
And let's decide your piece.
All right, let's go. Hole in the wall.
Nice.
दीवार तोड़ के बाहर निकलना है
I'll
क्या?
show you that.
First up, the hole in the wall. Simple, right? Just drive through the perfect shape at the perfect speed. Miss by an inch, and it's less hole in the wall, more hole in the car.
एक बार और कीजिए. Reverse J turn.
Reverse J.
Next, the reverse J turn. A move so dramatic it should have its own Bollywood background score. One swift flick, and if done right, you look like a stunt pro. If not, parking lot security will have questions.
That doesn't sound good.
That is not good,
That
but
doesn't sound good.
दो बार और, दो बार और.
Okay.
हाँ, wind chime cutter.
Yeah, right.
इसमें कुछ कटिंग नहीं है सर.
Sure.
कुछ नहीं है, but मजा आएगा.
Up next, the wind chime cutter. 4 giant pendulums of doom waiting to test Sunil's reflexes. One clean run at full speed, no touches.
पक्का?
Yes. एक बार और.
हंसने लग नहीं रहा है मेरे को ये.
एक बार और सर. पता नहीं हमारा टर्फ है अभी थोड़ा सा.
डराइए मत प्लीज.
And then
Blindfold autocross.
And finally, the blindfold autocross. But here's the twist. Our host is blindfolded, and Sunil's the one giving directions.
ये अलाउड भी नहीं है दोस्त.
अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ. चलिए.
बिना देखे गाड़ी चलाना अलाउड भी नहीं है.
sound that you have come.
Wait. Put on drive. Put on the. Yeah, put on drive. Wait. I'm paying the bill. Right. Alka right. Right. Do not break. Right. Right. Easy. Right. Straight. Easy. Break. Easy. Go. Right. Break. Now back. Yeah, left. All left. More left. आराम से. Go straight. Stop. Let's go. It's okay. Thank you.
Drivers, get ready. The straight stretch greets you. You're sprinting ahead. Next, the infinity loop. Going on and on. Then dive into the zigzag gauntlet. More twisted than a Bollywood plot. Brace yourself for the legendary 360 loop. Now the trickiest challenge, driving in reverse through whichever tunnel flashes green.
Come on, tell me 1-6, please. That was fast, man. That was scary, man.
It was fun, man.
You were
It was
great.
fun.
You were really great.
I enjoyed
I
it.
am surprised.
I was scared
Really?
to start with. When I saw the timing of competitor who tried to cheat, it was nice.
No, it was being nice to you. But what were your thoughts behind, when you were in this Audi and this, when you're putting your foot down, did you feel that 500 mm of torque and that adrenaline?
It's crazy because you're not also used to driving like this on a day-to-day life. I don't remember, maybe never. Maybe one of the circuit I drove a long time back, but you don't realize how powerful a car is.
Correct.
And you can do this because naturally you will never be able to do this. It was so much fun to go to the corner and then not even brake and turn the steering. It was so nice.
So what was the most difficult part?
The reverse.
It was?
Because you want to match the speed that you go front, coming reverse, and it's not easy.
मेरे को लगा आप बोलोगे that whole वाला that you know when you're going in that.
At first it was scary.
Yeah.
फिर हमारे दोस्त ने किया, then you get confidence, and also you have a steering and you can see the body of the car. It's easier. But पीछे आना वो भी speed में, because I wanted to have a good time.
Yeah.
That was scary.
Yes.
That was scary. Yeah.
So when this whole thing was happening, what was the underlying thought in your mind? Were you having fun?
पहले राउंड में I was blank. मेरे मन में था ठोक मत, ठोक मत, ठोक मत, गिर मत. You know, because the car is fast.
Guys.
And again, you're not used to it. But second lap, when you get a confidence and you get a grip, then I was like, sure, let's have fun. Because it's not every day you get this opportunity.
Correct.
No matter who you are, if you're in India, you will not get this opportunity. And also, I don't advise it. It's not nice. But yahan, it was so much
this
fun.
is a playground for
It was so much fun. And this beast, it was amazing.
So you like my playground, right?
Yeah, I did. I enjoyed it.
So, you know, to give you more grip in this whole thing, we had this special MRF tire. So when you were driving, did you feel that tire was playing its role somewhere? You feel that?
Yes. And also, I was advised not to brake when you're turning. मेरे मन में था कैसे यार, you know, मैं गाड़ी के बाहर आ जाऊंगा.
And the smell of the
Yes,
rubber.
and when I got down, you smelled it, huh? When I got down, मेरे को लगा कहीं आग तो नहीं लग गई है.
That's what, you know, all the petrolheads give.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you smell it, all the diseases are completely pure. Now, honestly, I'll tell you, because you're an athlete, your reflex was so fast because, you know, you're doing it the first time
Yeah.
and we are teaching you and you're picking it up.
I think it was because I'm competitive, not because I was not scared.
Yeah, you're competitive.
हालत तो खराब थी अंदर. But then उन्होंने कर दिया तो मेरे को लगा चलो, let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
So when you compare this with a professional, with your personal life, you know, when you are playing football, so a driving football, what are the similarities like?
I think one parallel that I can run in sports and in driving is you got to be fast, you got to push your limits, but also you have to be safe. Even in sports, you have to give your best. In football, especially, you have to try to win your opponents, but you can't be unfair.
Correct.
You can't use unfair means. You can't foul. You can't go over the board. Same in
Same thing. You had the same
Not only racing, but even driving generally.
Correct.
You want the adrenaline to kick in. You want the speed and everything, but you have to be safe.
मैंने सुना आपके टर्फ में आपका दिल्ली का लौंडा बाहर आ जाता है. हमारे टर्फ पे आया कि नहीं आया?
आने वाला था. मैंने देखा एक कैमरा यहाँ, एक कैमरा यहाँ, एक कैमरा यहाँ. मैंने सोचा नहीं, ये गलती नहीं करनी है. मम्मी फोन करेगी तेरे को, इसलिए बड़ा किया था हमने. तो हाँ, एक आध मोमेंट थे जो वो अंदर से इमोशन आने वाले थे, बट आई केप्ट इट ऑन चेक.
अगर आपको फैमिली देख रही होती तो कैसा लग रहा होता उनको आपको देख के?
I
Do you
hope-
think they would be proud of?
I think they will be.
They will be proud.
I'm pretty sure my mom wouldn't like the speed,
Yeah.
but the fact that I enjoyed it and the fact that I did all right, I'm sure she'd be proud.
Great. You also played on the toughest toughs of the world, right? So how was it when these tires of Amara flipped the road and you drove around?
I was scared when I was doing the turn.
Yeah?
I felt comfortable. I was telling in the second round, मैंने कहा छोड़ यार, ना मार brake, घुमा, and it kept the grip. Even this one, the 361 where I did two turns, I wasn't braking.
I was hoping that you don't go sideways because you
Yes.
were about to get.
Yes, and that's why when I got down, I started smelling the tires. It was burning, man.
That's a smell.
It made me feel safe.
In fact, we are trying to make it into perfume and sell it. All right, Sunil sir. Now it's time for the most important part of the day.
Yeah.
Your lap time. How do you think you did? Do you think you had penalties because you know there was 2 seconds, 5 seconds?
I think I got a few penalties.
Yeah.
But I hope I did good time.
But I think you have a way of finding a way around cheating, and there's something. Everything you know, we were discussing that
Of course.
football and how you
I really hope I got a good time.
did. Your coach knew about what you did playing.
Ah, you're talking about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Many people tell me this. I mean, more than me, it's my wife's mistake. Then my girlfriend, yeah, because she's the one who stole the number from my coach then and father-in-law now. And she messaged me, so I do not want to take the blame of that.
Okay.
It's her who was feisty and who stole the number.
So let's look at the scores. So our precision driver did 2 minutes 36 seconds. So what do you think? Did you beat him?
I think I came close.
So I will tell you something. You
I saw
beat
that.
our precision driver. You were 2 minutes 34
Thank you
seconds.
so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I feel that we have gone out that over. I don't know,
Of course,
but
you have to go and talk to him, man. Honestly, I would love to do this again.
Yeah.
Because today, thank you for all the accolades, but I just got the hang of it. I'll come more prepared next time.
no, I
really
think
enjoyed it.
we can't let you be more prepared because then you beat the shit out of us. For the first segment, मेरा भी आपके पास
Of
थोड़ा,
course, of course.
You know, my love for you came out.
Ji.
The second segment was all you.
Yeah.
And second segment is what everybody else will be doing. So you'll be labeled against them. What do you think of the timing?
I would say 1 minute 20, 1 minute 30. I don't know.
Oh, not that bad.
15, 1 minute 15. I don't know.
You have 1 minute and 6 seconds, which is amazing and good. So your total time is 3 minutes and 43 seconds. This is the time which is up on the board. This is going to be the time in the history of Kadu Stars Season 2 This is the time against which all the other actors.
And no one
will
beat it.
No one beat it? No. I take your word on that, and thank you so much. I really wish you win.
Thank you so much.
I want this car to go to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Enjoyed it.
Now that's the kind of drive that sticks with you. Sunil, master on the pitch and clearly no stranger to pressure behind the wheel either. He was simply phenomenal on our track. Every guest brings their own rhythm to this track, and in the next episode, the tempo's about to change. Because stepping up to the grid is a young man who's rewriting cricket's rulebook. Yes, you got that right. Yashashvi Jaiswal. Till then, keep your engines warm. You've been watching Cars with Stars, driven by Audi, powered by MRF, and now it's time to peace out.